This here is a Taurus G2C PT-111. We're just going to show you how to take down this weapon. Of course, safety's on right now, so we're going to eject the magazine. You can see it's got a full magazine, and then I'm going to eject the one in the chamber, and we're going to clear that weapon. So it's very simple to take this weapon down. It has this takedown button here. You're just going to pull that down, and then you're going to release the slide. You'll see that that is in the down position, and then you'll just pull the trigger. That slide comes right off. Now we can see that in order to remove the barrel, it's quite simple. You just take the spring out, the floating barrel comes out. That makes this quite easy to clean, quite easy to take down, and of course put back together. You just set the barrel back into place, place the spring back into place, and just rests right there on that ledge. And then you'll see that it has these lines in the back, so you can just line that up. And pull back. That is put back together. So now you can put the magazine back in and reload your weapon. Thank you.